We have to learn exercise 3.1. So today we discuss chapter 3 polynomials. Topic is graphical representation of zeros of a polynomial. So how to draw zeros of polynomial in the graph. So we have learned about in 9th class the linear polynomial graphical representation is a straight line. So in 10th class we have to learn graphical representation of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So today we discuss the topic is graphical representation of zeros of a polynomial. So graphical representation of linear polynomial, graphical representation of quadratic polynomial, graphical representation of cubic polynomial. First we discuss linear polynomial, graphical representation of a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is a degree of a polynomial, degree of 2 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial general form is ax plus b and a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of a linear polynomial. So here a polynomial degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. General form of linear polynomial is ax plus b and a is not equal to 0. So y is equals to ax plus b. The graph of y is equals to ax plus b is a straight line. Is a straight line. It intersects the x-axis at the minus b by a comma 0. Its 0 is minus b by a. So graphical representation of linear polynomial. The graph of linear polynomial y is equals to ax plus b is a straight line. It intersects the x-axis at minus b by a comma 0. Its 0 is minus b by a. So linear polynomial ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equals to minus b. X is equals to minus b by a. 0 of linear polynomial. So we have to equal to linear polynomial 0. Ax is equals to minus b, x is equals to minus b by a. So here x coordinate is minus b by a and y coordinate is 0. So we have to draw the linear polynomial a y is equals to ax plus b. This is the origin O. So 0 comma b. The intersect point is minus b by a comma 0. So this is the y is equals to ax plus b. This is the straight line. So for example, take example y is equals to 2x plus 1. So this is the linear equation. Here the degree of variable, here the variable having power is 1. So this is the linear polynomial. So y is equals to 2x is a linear polynomial. So we have to draw y is equals to 2x plus 1. X, y, pair of x comma y. So first verification, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the linear polynomial, you have to be equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 2. So x coordinate is minus 1 by 2. So y coordinate is also 0. So we take values minus 1, 0, 1. So to put x value minus 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 1, that is equals to minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. So y value minus 1. So x value, take x value 0. So in place of x substitute 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And then take x value is 1. So in place of x substitute the value 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So pair is minus 1, 1, 0, comma 1, 1, comma 3. So in these points we take and to draw the graph 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is called x-axis, the horizontal. So y is vertical, x dash, y dash. First pair is minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 x-axis, minus 1 x-axis, and minus 1 y coordinate, minus 1, 1. So this is the intersect point is minus 1, minus 1. 0, comma 1. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 1. 0, comma 1. This is 0, comma 1. 1, comma 3. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 3. This is 1, comma 3. So join together. Is equals to 2x plus 1. So this is the straight line. So join 1, comma 3, 0, comma 1 and minus 1, comma 1. So we get the straight line, that is y is equals to 2x plus 1. So the intersect point is minus 1 by 2. Intersect point is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means so minus 0.5, minus 0.5. This is the minus 1 by 2. So this is the graphical representation of a linear polynomial. This draw the graph of y is equals to 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is a linear polynomial. So we have to draw the linear polynomial. So y is equals to 2x plus 5. So x, y, so x comma y. So we have to draw the table. So linear polynomial 2x plus 5. So we have to equal to 0. 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by 2. Here the graph of linear polynomial, the graph of linear polynomial 2x plus 5 intersects the x-axis at minus 5 by 2. Its 0 is minus 5 by 2. So is minus 1, 0, 1. So substitute these values in linear polynomial y is equals to 2x plus 5. So put x is equals to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. Put x is equals to 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Put x is equals to 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So the pairs of 1 minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 7. take these points to draw the graph of linear polynomial. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First point, -1, comma 3. So -1 is x-axis and 3 is the y-axis. -1, 3. Next 0, 5. 0, 1 is x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. -1, 7. So 1 is the x coordinate and 7 is the y coordinate. So join these points. So we get straight line y is equals to 2x plus y. This straight line intersects at x-axis minus 5/2. So the graph of y is equals to 2x plus y intersects at x-axis minus 5/2. So its zero value is minus 5/2. Graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial means a polynomial degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is a x square plus bx plus c. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So the graph of quadratic polynomial y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c is a U-shaped graph. The graph of y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c is a U-shaped, that is called parabola. Here a greater than 0, so we get open upward parabola. So when a less than 0, so we get open downward parabola. So the graph of quadratic polynomial is called parabola. So when a greater than 0 is open upward parabola and a less than 0 is open downward parabola. So take an example. X square minus x minus 2. This is the quadratic polynomial. So y is equals to x square minus x minus 2. Here quadratic polynomial equal to 0. So 0 of quadratic polynomial. So this is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్ ని మనం 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేసుకొని అక్కడ x వాల్యూస్ ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో x² - x - 2 is equals to 0. Here multiply x coefficient and constant. Here x coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is 1 and constant is minus 2. So multiplied x square coefficient and constant 1 into minus 2, we get minus 2. So here separate the product of terms and the sum of terms. So 2 ones are 2 and then here sum of the terms is minus 1. Sum of the terms is minus 1. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is equals to minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1. sum is minus 1. So it can be written as x square. So minus 2x plus 1 is nothing but minus x. So minus x, it can be written as minus 2x plus x. Minus 2 is equals to 0. So here in those x value is common, so common x minus 2 plus here also x minus 2 is common, so we multiplied 1, so x minus 2 is a common value in those terms. So x minus 2 is a common and x plus 1, so is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equals to minus 1. Here 2 and minus 1 are the x values, 2 and minus 1. So x values, or we take minus 1 and 2, minus 1 and 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So y is equal to minus 1 in place of x, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square, x value minus 1 minus 2, so 1 plus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is a 0. So we have to put x value minus 1 in a quadratic polynomial, so we get 0. And to put x value in place of x, 0 square, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 2, so we get minus 2. And put x is equals to 1, 1 square, 1 minus 2, 1 square means 1, here minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, that is equals to minus 2. So here this value is minus 2. So put x value 2 square, 4 minus 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So the pair of x and y coordinate is minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 0. So take these points and to draw the graph, the quadratic polynomial. So first point is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 is x coordinate, y, and 0 is y coordinate. 0 comma minus 2. 0 is x coordinate. 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. X coordinate is 1, 1 comma minus 2. Two comma 0. So this is the parabola, upward, open upward parabola. So here minus 1 comma 0, the parabola touches at x axis, minus 1 comma 0, here 2 comma 0. So these are the intersect points at x axis, minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0. The quadratic polynomial has two at most two zeros. The linear polynomial has only one zero. Quadratic polynomial has two zeros, at most two zeros. Try this. Draw the graph of y is equals to x square minus x minus 6. So y is equals to x square minus x minus 6 is the quadratic polynomial. So we draw the quadratic polynomial graph. So y is equals to x square minus x minus 6. So fill the table. Take x y coordinates, pair of x y. So we take the points before verification of given polynomial x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So multiply x square coefficient and constant term 1 into minus 6, that is equals to minus 6. So it separate product of terms and sum of terms. Sum of terms is minus 1. So we required term is minus 1. Sum of the terms is minus 1. So 6 1 the 6. 3 2 the 6. Minus 1. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So this is the sum of the terms. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here minus 3x plus 2 is nothing but minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here take x value common. So x minus 3 and 2 common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 3, take x minus 3 common. Here x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equals to 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equals to minus 2. So take x values in order minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So put x value in y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 6. So 4 plus 2 minus 6, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Next minus 1, put x, minus 1 in place of x, minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 6, 1 plus 1 minus 6, 2 minus 6, that is equal to minus 4. 0, 0 square minus 0 minus 6, that is equal to minus 6. So substitute 1 in place of x, 1 square minus 1 minus 6, 1 minus 1 minus 6, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So minus 6. Next 2, put 2 in place of x, 2 square. 2 square means 4 minus 2 minus 6. So 4 minus 8, that is equal to minus 4. Take 3 in place of x, 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 6, 9 minus 9, that is equal to 0. So this value is 0. So pair is minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 minus 4, 0 comma minus 6, 1 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma 0. Take the points minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 is x-axis and y coordinate is 0. So minus 2 comma 0. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4. minus 1 minus 4, 0 comma minus 6, 0 minus 6, 1 comma minus 6, x coordinate is 1 minus 6, 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 6, 1 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 4, 2 minus 4, 3 comma 0. So join these points. Next and so we get the upward parabola. So it intersects at x-axis minus 2 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. So the parabola intersects at x-axis minus 2 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Graphical representation of cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cubed plus bx. So this is the general form of a cubic polynomial. So the graph of a cubic polynomial y is equals to ax cubed plus bx cubed plus x plus b. So the graph of cubic polynomial is a parabola passing through the horizon. So the graph of cubic polynomial passing through the horizon. For example, x cube minus 4x, x cube minus 4x. So fill the table x y is equals to x cube minus 4x x y. So x comma y. So verification of a cubic polynomial. So the cubic polynomial x cube minus 4x, this is equal to 0. So in both x is common, so the x value is common, take x is common, x remaining x square minus 4, that is equals to 0. X into x square minus 4, so it can be written as x square minus 2 square, that is equal to a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2, that is equal to 0. X value is 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So the x value is equal to 0, minus 2 and 2. So we have to take the values of x is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So substitute of minus 2 in place of x cube minus 2 cube, that is equal to minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1, 4 into minus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 3. Substitute 0, total value is 0. Substitute 1 cube minus 4, so we get minus 3. Take 2 in place of x, 2 cube is 8 minus 4 into 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. So the pair of x and y minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 0, 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma 0. Take the points and to draw the graph of a cubic polynomial. So first point is minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 is x coordinate and y coordinate is 0. Minus 2 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 x coordinate 3 is y coordinate minus 1 comma 3. 0 comma 0 is origin. 1 comma minus 3. 1 comma minus 3. 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. So join these points. So join these points. So the graph is, the parabola is passing through the horizon. So the cubic polynomial has intersect the at 3 points, at most 3 points. The cubic polynomial has at most 3 points. So minus 2, 0 and 2 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial.